go to activecampaign.com. So now log into your ActiveCampaign account. Alright, just type your account name and login. Alright, once you log in, you'll get this UI, and then follow the steps. Go to contacts, and then you can go to list and then click add a list. So you can give any name, list URL, and then list description as well. So after all that, you can see, you can just save it, and then there you go, you have created a list. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.